trowels, all the tools, glue, shims, tape measures, stone for the IQ blade, sawzall blades, scribes, tape measures everywhere, roofing nails, AZAC screws, driver bits, scraper in case we need it, scraper bits, drills, batteries labeled, miscellaneous bits, margin trowels, slickers, screwdrivers, tape, wire ties, collar ties, ear protection, paint, oil for two-stroke, chalk line, chalk, tool bag for whatever you're working on if you don't want to take the whole thing. Bam.